Now we're going to show you, we have a chain here, and we're going to go through and do single crochet. In my next video, I'll show you how to do a double crochet, and maybe we'll even get to some 1.5. So we start off by figuring out how many crochet or how many stitches away we're going to put our hook in. So my hook is in one loop. We don't count that one. We have one loop past that. That's the one we're using to skip. That's going to be our corner. And our second loop from the hook, that's the one we're actually going to start our crochet in. So skip the first one, put my hook into my next loop, wrap the string around, pull it through just the loop on the chain. I now have 2 loops on my hook. Wrap the string around and pull through both. Now I choose just the next one, right next to the stitch I just did. Put my hook in, wrap the string around the hook, pull it through 1 loop, wrap the string around, and pull it through 2. And you can see that now I'm a lot thicker than what I was before. I have a corner, and now I've crocheted twice. We'll do just a couple more. Put it through the loop, wrap the yarn around, pull it through 1, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2. Put the hook through, pull through 1, pull through 2. And as you go, make sure you're doing just about the same consistency for all of these with how tight your yarn is. Otherwise you end up with a blanket or a scarf that gets larger or smaller as you go, and everybody likes consistency when it comes to that stuff. And sometimes on this first turn, they're a little difficult to get your hook through. It's hard on the first one to pick which one you're going through because you have several options. You can go through just our back loop, our front loop, or you can go through both. And that's all depending on what kind of style you're looking for. I've been going through just the back loop. The front loop is actually down on the bottom for your first round, or you can go through both loops. Okay, but if I go through both like this, wrap the yarn around, I pull through those 2, wrap the yarn around and pull through those 2. It depends on what you want. If you always go through the back, then you end up having a small wave pattern as you go, and it gives it some more texture. But that's for a little bit more advanced. Just pick whichever one you want and then be consistent with it. That's single crochet.